This is the garden space that I'm working on this year. I am planting, those are some little melons over here. They're about 3 weeks to a month. Beside them are the scallions. I have a plant. I have some thyme. There's garlic in there. And then I have a tangerine in there. Another thyme, some more scallion and onion, and I don't know what this plant is. Just sprung up out of the garden, so I decided to take it up and put it in something itself and see and watch what it is. And then I just planted some pumpkin seeds. There are some slugs around, so they have been eating down my melons. So I decided to just plant them separately until I can transplant them when they're bigger, when they have a much better chance to survive. I have dumped some dirt into this corner and allowed the leaves to stay in there and rot. And then there's a little corner over here. This was where I started originally, and I moved out the palms. So I had a lot of palms over that corner, and I've just left a few over here, one big one, right, that is planted directly down into the ground, so it's performing better, but with the dirt that is dumped up around it, and the others recently, left on their own, so they're struggling a bit. I water twice a day. And then I have a flowering plant in there as well. Here was where I had the melons inside there before all this wood was there, but something ate them down. And then over that side I have the palms. Only a few left. Sun killed some of them. My learning curve, right? I'll get it right. And then over this side, these palms are very successful. They're very big. They're growing because they get shade, they get a lot of water, and so they're growing nicely. And I have some flowering plants as well. So Miss Five daughter not doing too badly. As you can see, these roots are very big. And these others are coming along. When they get too big, I'll pick them out, move them, or give them away. And that's the start of my little garden.